हेलो गाइस। आरएस क्लासेस 90.5 में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं जेपीएससी प्रीलिम्स पेपर 2 के एक और टॉपिक, डोकलो सोहोर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम। खाड़िया या खरिया ट्राइब। खाड़िया आर अ prominent tribe of Jharkhand. It belongs to Proto-Australide. Its language is Khadiya, in which words of Mundari, Orao, and Aryan languages are also found. People of this caste are spread in Gumla, Simdega in Jharkhand, and Ranchi, Odisha, Chhattisgarh state. Most of the people in Jharkhand are in the Niru region, that is Simdega. Their origin is said to be Rojang. There are three types of khadiya: Pahadi khadiya, Dud khadiya, and Delki khadiya. Among the khadiya people, all the residents of a single village belong to a gotra. The village has Mahatos, Pahans, and especially Khartahas. The head of the family is the father, and he takes the final decision by consulting wife and their young children. The region of Karya people is a mixture of tribalism, Hinduism, and Christianity. They worship Thakur Dev, Dharti Mai, Gram Dev, Nag Dev, Burha Burhi, and fire god, etc. Thakur is worshipped at all religious ceremonies. They offer sacrifices to gods, goddesses, and ancestral spirits on the occasion of worship. They sacrifice gods, sheep, duck, chicks, eggs, etc. They also believe in witchcraft and bhuta preta. The Kharyas cremate the dead body as well as bury their dead. Marriage within the clan does not have sanction from society. No marriage or sexual relationships are permitted with wife's elder sister or husband's elder brother and younger brother's wife. Kharyas practice monogamy and polygamy form of marriage. Governance system. In an area, the traditional self-government system of Kharya people includes Mahato, Pahan, and Kartaha. Mahato. Mahato is the main person in the village. The people who once settled in the village are given the title of Mahato by calling them the main person of the village. This dynasty is a traditional term, but they can but they can be changed with the consent of the villagers. Pahan. The person who performs puja in village festivals is called Pahan. They are also known as Kalo. They are called for marriages and public festivals such as Fagu Puja, Karma Puja, New Crop Worship, well, tree marriage, etc. This designation is also traditional. However, it can also be changed. Kartaha. Each village has a Kartaha. The villagers work with the advice and permission of the same. The decision of the village quarrel and the settlement of the troubles also do the same. It is his essential task to call a people's meeting and solve the problems of the village. He is not paid any salary from the village for his post. The person is removed from his position if he does not follow the rules himself or if there is some defect. A person who knows the customs of his caste accurately, a proposal is put for the appointment to the post of Kartaha. For selection, Khadia elders from that area gather at one place, who select Kartaha. In the village, when a family is declared impure, then for its purification, worship is done in a particular area like Pahan. The purification of such a family is done by Kartaha. The village quarrel is settled by convening a meeting in the village in the presence of Mato, Pahan, and the village elders. The presence of the village Mato is necessary in this meeting. Land and property disputes are settled in the main role of Mato. Punishment is decided by consciousness. Bearing murders and other serious cases are dealt with by Matos and other elders of the village. It is considered a crime to have sex with a boy or a girl in your village. For this, severe punishment is given by society. The Khadia tribe society consists of the total of 9 gotras such as Dungdung, Kullu, Tete, Ba, Karketa, Sorang, Kindo, Topo, and Vilung. All the nearby tribes of the villages get together to form a regional administration mechanism, which is known as Khund, to resolve disputes among themselves. Its president is elected only from a Kartaha. This post is called Khadia Ghat. Around 1934 to 35 AD, when the entire society was awakening with the development of education, around this time, the leaders of the Khadia caste also formed the All India General Assembly to organize, empower, and solve their problem. It is known as Doklo. The chairman of Doklo, who is the king of the entire Khadia society, is called Doklo Sohor. In the Khadia language, Doklo means meeting. In Doklo, prominent representatives of all the regions, Mahato, Pahan, Kartaha gather. Kartaha people make all arrangements to call a meeting. These people gather once a year. In this meeting, the people of Khadia tribe elect Doklo Sohor. They have a tenure of 3 years. आगे देख लेते हैं हम लोग. Any problem related to more than one village or gotra is resolved under the chairmanship of Doklo Sohor. The work of organizing and strengthening the Khadia society is also done by them. They act as representatives of Khadia society in the broad way. The Kartaha of each village informs the Khadia Raja of the incident and the problems in his village. With the permission of the king, he resolves the village quarrel or the problems. Village presents the report to the king after deciding the quarrel, etc. Khadia Raja is also the secretary, Khajanchi, and advisor. The secretary prepares the report and keeps tracks of the Khajanchi Khadia fund. The king decides himself with his ministers in large cases. He determines fines based on litigation. After the verdict comes, the king uses some part of the money received as salary from his ministers. If there is a case of quarrel and unethical behavior, then one party takes khasi and the other party gets a fine of Hadiya and Bhatt. To include a non-Khadia in the society before the Khadia Mahasabha, to give the identity of Khadia to a child whose father is not Khadia, but the mother to be Khadia, for the marriage of Khadia and non-Khadia man, the motion is brought. The Khadia Mahasabha president, with the advice of dignitaries of the Khadia community, always strived for the progress of this society. तो चलिए इस चीज़ को भी हम लोगों ने रीड किया. अगर लेक्चर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर कर दें और इस वीडियो को आप 2 से 3 बार सुन लें. आपको लगभग इससे जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे सब कुछ आपका हो जाएगा. तो चलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच.